The first stage is the pre-filing stage. This involves conducting a novelty search to ensure your design isn't substantially similar to existing registered designs. Doing this helps avoid potential conflicts and ensures the design meets originality requirements. After this, you must classify your design using the Locarno classification system, which categorizes designs into various groups based on their nature. The Indian Patent Office website provides a useful classification tool. Next comes the application preparation stage. It's advisable to engage a registered patent agent or attorney to assist with the application process. They can guide you through the legalities and ensure proper documentation. The primary forms involved are Form 1, which captures details like applicant information and the design's title, and Form 2, which provides a detailed description of the design, including features, functionalities, and high-quality drawings showcasing various views from different angles. Once the application is prepared, it's time for the filing stage. The application form, drawings, and requisite fees are submitted to the design office in Kolkata or any of its branch offices. Remember, government fees are payable at the time of filing. Following submission, the examination process begins. The Indian Patent Office scrutinizes the application to ensure it meets the formal requirements and that the proper fees are paid. If the design fulfills the formal criteria, a substantive examination is conducted to assess its novelty, non-obviousness, and industrial applicability. If the design successfully clears the examination, it's published in the Patent Office Journal. After addressing any objections raised during examination and fulfilling formalities, the design is registered. A registered design receives protection for a period of 10 years, renewable for further terms of 5 years up to a maximum of 25 years. While this provides a general framework, the design patent filing process can be complex. Consulting a registered patent agent or attorney for professional guidance throughout the process is strongly recommended. For further information, you can refer to the Indian Patent Office website and a document outlining design office procedures. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to obtaining a design patent in India. It might seem like a daunting process, but with the right guidance and preparation, it's entirely achievable. So go ahead, protect your unique design and let your creativity shine.